Self-adhesive labels are used in a wide range of industries, from health and beauty, food, beverage, wine and spirits, to pharma, durables, and chemicals. Now, all these different industries and end-use applications have different requirements. So, there's no one-size-fits-all technology. Let's take a closer look at self-adhesive labels for the food industry. Time is money, and in the food industry cost-effectiveness is of the essence. So you'll want to use standard paper-based label stock without the hassle of priming first. And of course, you'll want labels that trick your eyes with photorealistic images of the most tantalizing foods and ingredients that make you reach for your fork. But above all, food labels should be food safe. That's why ideally they should not contain any hazardous substances that could migrate from the label to the foodstuff. Meeting all these requirements is a tall order, but when it comes to food safety, dry toner is unbeatable. So for food-safe labels with photorealistic images that shout "Eat me," printed on standard label stock that doesn't need priming, Xeikon recommends dry toner. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all technology, but we can advise you on the best fit for your applications.